Let's decode the Q2 2025 performance of Thyrocare, Navkar Corporation, Bank of Maharashtra, and ICICI Lombard, with clear year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter comparisons. Welcome to Stock Coney. Please like and subscribe. It motivates us to bring you the latest and quickest Q2 results updates straight from the market. Thyrocare Technologies. A very strong quarter with clear improvement in margins and profitability. Sales stood at 217 crore rupees, up 22% year-on-year and 12% quarter-on-quarter, rising from 193 rupees to 217 crore rupees. EBIDT came in at 71.4 crore rupees, up 49% year-on-year and 24% quarter-on-quarter. Net profit reached 47.8 crore rupees, up 80% year-on-year and 25% quarter-on-quarter. EPS was 9 rupees and 6 paise compared to 7 rupees and 35 paise last quarter, up 23% quarter-on-quarter. EBIDT margin improved to 32.9% from 29.9%, showing strong cost control and higher test volumes. Analysis. Thyrocare has delivered excellent operational leverage, with profits growing faster than revenue. At a PE above 50, the stock is priced for growth, but current momentum clearly supports it. Navkar Corporation. One of the most surprising results this quarter. Sales stood at 162 crore rupees, up 19% year-on-year and 17% quarter-on-quarter. EBIDT was 24.4 crore rupees, up 39% year-on-year and 20% quarter-on-quarter. Net profit was 4.35 crore rupees, up 437% year-on-year, moving from loss to profit, and 78% quarter-on-quarter. EPS came in at 29 paise compared to 16 paise last quarter, an increase of 81% quarter-on-quarter. Analysis. Navkar has turned around sharply from losses last year to consistent profits. Improving margins and container traffic have helped, but the small base amplifies growth. It's a good sign for mid-cap logistics revival, though sustainability will be the key factor. Bank of Maharashtra. A steady, consistent performer in the PSU banking space. Sales stood at 7,128 crore rupees, up 18% year-on-year and 1% quarter-on-quarter. EBIDT was 4,854 crore rupees, up 28% year-on-year and 5% quarter-on-quarter. Net profit came in at 1,669 crore rupees, up 25% year-on-year and 11% quarter-on-quarter. EPS stood at 2 rupees and 17 paise compared to 1 rupee and 96 paise last quarter, up 10% quarter-on-quarter. Analysis. Operating margins improved to 68%, with net margin rising by 210 basis points quarter-on-quarter. Strong growth in advances and control over NPAs continue. At a PE of just 7, it remains one of the most attractively valued PSU banks with consistent profitability. ICICI Lombard. Steady performance from the insurance leader. Sales were 6,869 crore rupees, up 12% year-on-year and 7% quarter-on-quarter. EBIDT stood at 1,044 crore rupees, up 11% year-on-year and 6% quarter-on-quarter. Net profit came in at 820 crore rupees, up 18% year-on-year and 10% quarter-on-quarter. EPS was 16 rupees and 47 paise compared to 15 rupees and 4 paise last quarter, up 9.5% quarter-on-quarter. Analysis. A consistent compounding performance with stable profitability and a healthy combined ratio. EBIDT margins around 15% indicate steady underwriting discipline. Premium valuation reflects investor trust and strong brand leadership. Thyrocare and Navkar lead in profit growth. Bank of Maharashtra shows value and stability. ICICI Lombard continues as a consistent compounder. So, which stock impressed you the most this quarter? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stock Coney for more quick, detailed quarterly updates.